Good morning, everybody. I am sorry if I have a scratchy voice. I went to a concert last night, had the time of my life, but my voice is now feeling it. But I am at Walgreens, and I am here to share with you guys some great deals this week. There's a lot of repeaters, there's some good deals. I'm gonna try some Ibotta rebates, but let's go inside and have some fun. I'll show you guys around, and then I'll come back and show you guys my haul, questions, comments, concerns that I have. So let's go inside. So we have the soft soap, hand soap. We have it for $3.29 or $2.49, and these are buy one get one 50% off. So you're gonna get 4 of the $3.29 ones. You're gonna get them, and you get buy one get one 50% off. We currently have a 75-cent off digital coupon that you can use. You end up paying just $9.12. Welcome to Walgreens. But then you get a $4 register reward when you purchase the 4 of them, making them just $5.12 or $1.28 each. Or you can get the smaller ones for $2.49. Buy 4 of them, you can use that 75-cent off digital coupon. You would pay $6.72, but then you get that $4 register reward, making it $2.72 or just 68 cents each. My store has this Act Kids mouthwash on clearance for $1.99. So you guys will pay $3.98, but they also have a deal where if you buy 2, you get a $4 cash rewards, making them both for free. But there's also an Ibotta deal where you guys can get a limit of 5 for $1 back. So these come out to be a $2 moneymaker. Awesome deal if you guys need some of that. So here we have the kids cavity protection on sale for $3 this week. Now I currently have a digital coupon for, it says select, but when I scroll through it I don't have very much options, but I do have a $3 off digital coupon or a $2 off digital coupon that would work for this product. So you're gonna buy 2 of them, you would end up paying just $4, but then you get a $4 register reward, making those both absolutely for free. So here we have the Oral-B toothbrushes for $3 on sale. I don't have any digital coupons that I can find, but you're gonna buy 2 of them. You would pay $6 for 2 of them, but then you get a $4 register reward when you purchase the 2 of them. Plus you get $2 back times 2 with Ibotta. So you'll end up paying $6, you get the $4 back, you get the $4 back. This ends up becoming a $2 moneymaker. So my store has this Parodontics on clearance for $3.49. Now if your store has more, they're currently buy one get one 25% off, but you're gonna get this for $3.29. I currently have a $1.50 off digital coupon that I am going to use. You will end up just getting this for $1.99, but then there is an Ibotta rebate where you can get $1 back, making this just 99 cents. So from $8.49 to 99 cents, that's a great deal. This is the Parodontics Clean Mint. Make sure you check in your UPCs. These were actually marked in the wrong spot and I moved them, but 99 cents, awesome deal. Another clearance item I found is this Tom's Silly Strawberry. Now this one's fluoride free. This one has the fluoride in it, but if you can find one that is fluoride free, my store has them for $3.29. Now every store does vary, but if you buy just one, you get a $3 reward, making this just 29 cents if your store has this on clearance. Otherwise, regular price is $4.99. You get that $3 cash reward, making it $1.99. So depends on how you guys want to do it, but it's an okay deal. So here we have Tom's toothpaste for $4.99. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You will get them for $9.98, but we currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you want to use. So you'll end up paying just $6.98, but then you get $3 cash rewards for every one that you buy. So you will get $6 in cash rewards, making these just 98 cents or 49 cents each. So here we have the Dawn dish soap, not on sale, but it is $1.29. You will buy 2 of them, you will pay $2.58, but then you get a 50-cent register reward, you guys, a 50-cent register reward when you purchase the 2, making them just $2.08 or $1.04 each. This week, Walgreens has the Arm & Hammer on sale for buy one, you get two free, so you can buy up to three for $7.49, making it just $2.49 each if you guys need to stock up. Now keep in mind, some of these are 27 loads and some of these are 21 loads, but the bottles look the same. I got a taller one in the back, so make sure you get your bigger sizes if you can. So the treat of the week are the Hershey Kisses for $2.99, plus we have the regular Hershey's. There is a cookies and cream if you guys like that, but these are $2.99. And we currently have a $1 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, IVC, if you guys want to use that. But you end up getting them for $4.98 or like $2.49 each if you guys want to go ahead and do that. So I'm excited to see these on sale. Again, we have the Complete Home medium and small trash bags. These are perfect for like little garbages, but they're on sale this week for $1.99. So make sure you guys stock up when you do, and make sure you welcome yourself to Walgreens. If you need some equal, these are 2 for $5. You would pay $5 for it, but we have a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta where you'll get $1.50 back, making this, I think, just $3.50 if you guys need to go ahead and do that. Then I was looking at this. I have these Nestle morsels for 60% off, making them $1.60, which is actually a pretty good deal. So make sure you're checking your prices because there's some pretty decent deals throughout the store. So the General Mills cereal is on sale this week for $1.99, so you guys want to get those. Now, something about the digital coupons, usually I've noticed that you have to buy 2 of the same thing lately, so I do not know if you can mix and match. Sometimes there is a Catalina that prints off, so I will see if the Catalina prints off. But these are $1.99 this week. You will use that $1 off of 2. Like I said, you might have to get 2 of the same items, but $1 off of 2. Then you will end up paying just $2.98. But then there is Ibotta rebates for 50 cents. You got Lucky Charms, Trix, Cocoa Puffs, Cheerios. There's also one for Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and I think there's one for Reese's also. So you'll get 50 cents back times how many you buy, making those just $1.98 or 99 cents a box, which is awesome. So here we have the Complete Home baggies. You guys know they're back to going on sale, hopefully for a long time, at buy one get 2 free. So you can mix and match however you want. Some of these, actually they all do say $2.79, so you'll pay $2.79 for all 3 of them. That comes out to be just 93 cents each, which is a pretty great deal. It's cheaper than the Dollar Tree. So here's the deal if you guys need some ZzzQuil. So there is some ZzzQuil for $10.49. They are currently buy one get one 50% off. You're gonna end up buying 2 of them. You can mix and match however you want. We do have a $1.50 off digital coupon that you guys are going to use. So you will end up just paying $14.23 for 2 of them. But when you purchase the 2, you get a $5 register reward. It showed it up in the ad, but that's not popping up on my phone right now. So you'll get the $5 register reward, plus you can submit your receipt to the Ibotta app. There's different ZzzQuil rebates that you guys can get for $3. So you'll get $6 back with the two Ibotta rebates. So you'll end up just getting it for just $3.23. And then if you have it where you buy 3 of them, I bought one earlier at Walmart, I get a 75-cent bonus. So I could buy 2 of them for just $2.48, which is a pretty decent deal. So here we have the Dove body wash for $7 on sale. So you're going to buy 2 of them at $14. We currently have a $5 off digital coupon. Now with their digitals lately, you probably have to buy 2 of the same scents, but you will end up paying just $9. Then when you purchase the 2, you will get a $4 register reward. Now this is the deal of the week, so you might have to do them separately depending on what you get, but you'll get that $4 register reward, making them just $5 or $2.50 each. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, I am excited to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. There's a lot of clearance at my store. A lot of it was gone. Like, I feel like they never pull the clearance tags. They just let them sit there until they like reset the whole planogram or whatever. But otherwise, I'm pretty excited to share with you guys what I got. So the first deal I got was the Cheerios because I feel like I've been craving Honey Nut Cheerios lately. So these were $1.99. I had $1 off of 2 digital coupon. I did get a Catalina that did print off when she scanned the product. But it is $1.50 off of 3. So if you guys want to go that way, it still comes out to be, I think, 99 cents a box anyway. So but definitely go ahead and check however you want. But if you do the digitals, they gotta somehow gotta be the same product, which I hate. But anyways, you will pay $2.98 for 2 boxes of Cheerios, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta. There's a bunch of different Ibotta rebates for 50 cents, making them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. Again, with this one, you can mix and match however you want to do it. So if you guys need some cereal, definitely go ahead and stock up on some cereal. So I ended up getting 2 of the toothbrushes. Like, she like scanned it. She's like, was there supposed to be a digital coupon coming off? And I'm like, no, that's right, I don't have one. So I did these. I did 3 transactions. I did a Dove body wash in one, everything else in the other, and then this one by itself. So these were $3. Like I said, I had no digitals. You paid $6 for this, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you'll get $2 back and $2 back with Ibotta, so you get $4 back. And then you also get a register reward. It is a store coupon for $4 back, making these just a $2 moneymaker. So you get toothbrushes for free. I ended up getting 2 different models. I heard somebody said that last week they did the deal and like they scanned their stuff and like none of the toothbrushes worked. I scanned a bunch of them and they worked, so I don't know if you have to get specific ones. I don't know, but definitely go ahead and get that. I got the clearance mouthwash for $1.99. You pay $3.98 for this, but then you get $4 cash rewards for buying 2 of these, and you can submit your receipt for $1 back times 2 with Ibotta. So these came out to be a $2 moneymaker. So awesome, awesome deal if you guys need to go ahead and get some. This is the pineapple punch, which is great. So I got that. Now I'm going to tell you guys about a glitch. I did not know it happened until after I checked out. But I ended up getting the Dove body wash, okay? The Dove body wash was $7 on sale. We currently have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. Now I did get the shea butter and vanilla, so I don't know if it matters on the scent that you get, but you would use that 5 off of 2 digital coupon. You would just pay $9 for the both of these, but then you're supposed to get a $4 register reward. Now this is the deal of the week, so it's the same deal as the Crest toothbrushes, so I'm just giving you guys a heads up. But you would get a $4 register reward, but I actually got 2 different register rewards. I got a $4 register reward that is a store coupon, and then I got a $4 register reward that is a manufacturer coupon. So I actually got $8 back for purchasing the 2 Dove body washes. So these came out to be just $1 or 50 cents each. If that one $4 register reward does not print out, then they come to be $5 or $2.50, which is a great deal. If you guys buy this without that $5 off 2 digital coupon, you would pay $14 for it, but then you get $8 back, making it $10. So never mind, not the greatest deal, but I still wanted to share with you guys on that. So 50 cents, $1 each. Awesome, awesome deal. Another deal I did was the Crest Kids toothpaste. This was $3 on sale also. I had that $2 off digital coupon that did work. Paid $4 for this, but then you get that $4 store coupon register. Again, this is the deal of the week, so make sure you guys are doing those in separate transactions. But these come out to be absolutely for free. If you guys need some kids toothpaste, definitely go ahead and do that. I also did the Tom's toothpaste. I tried this stuff. I wasn't a big fan of it. I don't know what I tried, but I wasn't a big fan of them. But this was $4.99. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You want to use that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $6.98 for 2 of them, but then you get $3 cash rewards when you purchase one, so you get $6 cash rewards when you purchase the two, making these just 98 cents or 49 cents each, which is an awesome deal. So make sure you guys do that. And then I also just got the periodontics. I need to start, my dentist has been telling me I need to start using Sensodyne or periodontics, and I ended up buying a Walmart brand when I was at Walmart the other day because I don't want to spend $8 on toothpaste. You guys know me, I'm cheap as all heck, but I do need to, I'm having problems with my mouth, and I thought maybe I'll try this stuff, so that's the reason why I got it. But this was $3.29 on clearance, I think. It was there a $1.50 off digital coupon, and then there is $1 that you get back with Ibotta. So I think this was, I don't remember what it was, but it was a pretty good price. I think it was like $1 something, but pretty good price if you guys need that. You saw my breakdown for this. So yeah, that was everything that I got. I didn't go super crazy. I was thinking of getting the Hershey Kisses, but I still have some from Christmas, so I kind of passed on that. I was really debating on getting the ZzzQuil, but I just bought some while I was at Walmart, and I'm like, I don't want to get any right now, but let me see if, because I bought the Act at Walmart last week. Let me see if that bonus counted. So I was at 20 rebates when I bought, when I went to Walmart last week. So I ended up getting 24 rebates. So I got one for the General Mills, one for the Crest, and one for the Act, and I don't know what the fourth, oh, yeah, I don't know what the fourth one was. Oh, the periodontics. So yeah, the Act did count as a bonus for me. So I got Act last week. I didn't show it in my Walmart haul, but I ended up getting that, and I got it again this week, and it did count. So I don't know what they're talking about on Ibotta, so we will see. But my total came to $27.81 for everything. Now please keep in mind, I did not pay that price. I always pay with register rewards. I pay with points and all that stuff. But I did receive $16 worth of register rewards. I got 3 store coupons and 1 manufacturer register reward. For points, I received $10.29. I got $6 for the Toms, and then I got $4 for the Act. And then I received $7 back for Ibotta, and again, that was for the General Mills cereal, the Oral-B toothbrushes, the Act mouthwash, and then I got the periodontics. So that actually, did I get $7 or did I get $8? Hold on, you guys. I think I got $8. I think I got $8. I got $8, you guys. I cannot add. I got $8 back with Ibotta. So my grand total came to be a $6.48 moneymaker. I got everything for free, plus I made a profit, so I am pretty excited with that. But I love to share with you guys with those deals. I know everybody looks forward to those baggy deals when they're buy one, get 2 free. So hopefully they're bringing those back. Otherwise, they might not bring them back as frequent. But make sure if you guys are in the, if you guys do need baggies, make sure you stock up now and then keep track of your stuff to see if you need to buy more, because I've noticed a lot they've been buy one get one free. We don't do that. We don't do that. So anyways, I love helping with you guys, or helping you guys save some money and have fun while you're shopping. Hopefully you guys had a successful week like I did. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. But I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.